I got some fun packages all for the kitchen. I'm going to open, one of them is some snacks from Sam's, but the rest are fun and cute items, so let's get started on that. Little Bear's checking them out. This is our first fun package that we're going to unbox. I got some super cute cookware, and I will link them if they're still available. Such good quality, and they look like a really expensive brand for like a fraction of the price. This is the Drew Barrymore Beautiful 2-quart enameled cast iron Dutch oven, and it is heart-shaped with a gold handle. It is so cute. They had a wine-colored one and some other color, but I, of course, had to have the baby pink. Look how cute it is. And then to match it, I got another one. And this is the 10-inch enameled cast iron skillet. Look how cute it is, guys. I am in love with these two pieces. Really wanted this drinkware. These cute little cocktail glasses. I think they're smaller than I anticipated them to be. So I got 4 of these cute cocktail glasses. Forgot what this was. Totally, oh no, I know, it's more cups. Cute glass drinking glasses. I love the ridges, and then it's just got this little lid that sets on top, and it has a glass straw. I just think these are so cute. I love them. And I always love starting off a new year with a bit of organizing, so we are going to start on that today as well. I got this Ziploc bag organizer, and you put like your aluminum foil and plastic wrap and everything in there, and I think it'll come in so handy because my drawer is a mess. And then I have this drawer over here that's got like a bunch of baking stuff in it. It's just literally a drawer that I never get in. So I'm going to take everything out and find a new home for it. And we're gonna set this up. So we've got a place for your gallon bags, quart bags, sandwich bags, snack bags, and then freezer bags go up here. And then in this piece, you put your plastic wrap, wax paper, foil, and then there's just an extra one. I will say this smells like paint or something sealant really strongly. Now I'm gonna bring you over and show you this disaster of a drawer, and we're gonna clean everything out and put the organizer in. Okay, I didn't prep this drawer ahead of time, so this is what it really looks like. Oh my god. Literally everything in this drawer. All right, I'm gonna get to cleaning this out and then we'll organize the bags. Now Now the drawer didn't fit both pieces in, but I suspected that it wouldn't, but I wanted to try it, which is fine because I have the drawer over by the oven that those pieces are better suited for. And this is so convenient because I always make the boys lunches right here, and I have to walk over there multiple times to get different baggies, so they'll all be right here, right underneath where I'm making lunch, so it'll be super convenient. So now everything is nice and organized, and I can just grab for all of my bags as I need them. It's got these little sliders that cut the paper. So easy. This is where I put the plastic, wax, and foil right here by the stovetop, so it'll be super handy.
I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close before. You were truly my love, but it was over so fast.
Go-to easy crock pot weeknight dinner. It takes 3 simple ingredients: chicken breast, ranch seasoning, and buffalo sauce, and you just throw it all in. It takes 1 minute. Turn it on high for 4 hours, and midday I can pop this in and have buffalo chicken sandwiches for dinner. Super easy. Since I just finished up dishes, I figured it'd be a great time to open my new flatware tray that I got from HomeGoods. I shared it in a HomeGoods haul the other day. I didn't even measure it, so hopefully it fits. It appears to be the same size as the one that I had. It was a Pioneer Woman one, and it had a print on the bottom. It's kind of just faded, and I was tired of looking at it, so I wanted to freshen it up with a new one I picked up for just $12.99.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep.
There we have it. It turned out so much nicer, and I separated the dinner forks and the salad forks and the teaspoons and the tablespoons. I don't know why, but they've always just been mixed together, and then I separated them. I probably could have like crammed them in one and added some more stuff to them, but I am trying to just make things simpler. I feel like I waste so much time like digging around and things, so I think this will make it easier.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, trust is that's about to let us know.
While I was cleaning the kitchen, I got a package. It's my knife set I just ordered from Amazon. I'm gonna replace my Drew Barrymore set back there. I've had it probably 2.5 years or more, and I actually burnt one of the handles. I left it by the stovetop and it melted, and then I was just like, I'm ready for a new set. So I ordered this one from Amazon. Oh, and I got a gold cheese grater too. So bougie. Here they are. I think they are so beautiful, and I just love the extra gold accents that I'm adding to the kitchen. Now I'll show you why I'm replacing these. I've used them very well. They just were starting to crack, not look so good, so I decided to get a new set, and one of them I burned. This is the one that got left on the burner. So I'm gonna take these out and replace it with these. So cute. I also got a second package. I think it's some dog treat jars I ordered. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So many boxes. Okay, I've got my headphones on because I'm listening to Annie Elise. I watch all of her stuff, but I'm listening to Family Annihilators, The Devil's Cup, Dark Chapters right now. And I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I like cups and I want to buy more cups, and I have more cups. So they don't really fit in here. Right, I do have a little wine glass area that I hang them up on, but I don't hang them all up. I just got these. I love these, and these, so cute, but there's not enough room. There's my wine glasses from like local vineyards. I don't know why, but I love to keep those. I've got some other random cups up here, and then little glasses up there. And over here, I have my dishes, which I kind of want to change too. So up there's pumpkin bowls that could be stored somewhere else. And these are Pioneer Woman, and while they are absolutely beautiful, I think I'm going to get rid of them because I have not touched those in a long time. They're really heavy and they're gorgeous, but I just need to declutter. These bowls are Hearth and Hand. I don't particularly like those either, so I'm thinking that I will take the dishes out and put them over here and then move my cups over here because I just have so many more. So we'll try that out.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the back. ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand.
So I successfully moved the plates and bowls over here, and honestly, it's not like we're using them a whole lot because we're usually using paper plates. And then I have so many cups, I put them all over here, and I got my pretty new ones right there and my new coffee mugs. So that's really all the coffee mugs that I need. Keyword. And then those are my new spring cocktail glasses, so adorable. And then these are actually my favorite ones to drink out of. And then just some basic cups here. I ended up keeping the white ones. I don't know why, but yeah, they're up there. And then I've got some little shot glasses and my little teacup.